Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to change Android phone font style. Here are the steps to change the font style on your Android phone. Steps might vary depending on your phone brand. First, unlock your Android device. Use your PIN, password, pattern, or fingerprint to unlock your phone. Then go to the home screen by navigating to the phone's main screen. Open the Settings app. Tap the Settings gear icon from the app drawer or Quick Settings. Scroll down and tap Display and Settings. Find and tap Display. On some phones, it may be Display in brightness. Look for Fonts or Font Style option. Tap Fonts, Font Style, or Font Size and Style depending on your phone brand. Tap Font Styles or My Fonts depending on your device brand. Select the Font Style menu to view available font options. Browse built-in fonts. You'll see default fonts and any others pre-installed by the phone manufacturer. Select a font you like. Tap the font name to preview it. Apply the font. Tap Apply or set to change the font system-wide. Optional. Download more fonts by going back by tapping the arrow to the left in the top right corner. Then tap the plus button on the top right to browse new fonts. Choose and download a new font. Select a font you like, tap Download, then Apply, and then Confirm by tapping OK. Wait for a font to install. Let the phone install the new font. It may take a few seconds. Check font across your phone. Open apps and menus to see the new font style in action. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.